Tony with Truck Center Companies. We get a lot of questions asked about how to view fault code information when your check engine light comes on your truck. So today we're going to show you how to view that information. Once your check engine light comes on, it will be indicated by a yellow amber check engine light, and most commonly followed with a yellow check engine or mill light at the bottom. These can sometimes flash or be solid, and it's similar to the process of going through the menu of a regen. You need to navigate over to the service menu and then scroll down, and it will show active faults and then all of the modules associated with the truck. And as you're scrolling through the menu, when you have a check engine light, it will be indicated by an exclamation point with a triangle surrounding it. Once you found the module that your check engine light is on or associated with, then you can press the OK on your steering wheel. Once pressed, it will give you the fault code information and the FMI number, which is used to scroll through the service manual and figure out which electrical system that it's associated with or what the problem is on the truck. If you hit the OK button, it will give you more info, which is just a brief description of what the problem might be, such as an electrical system or a sensor fault.